guys, it's Ritika. So today's video is a NYKAA haul, but before that I want to tell you guys that I might look a little tired because I had this entire day of college and I'm filming this video at 10 in the night. So it's currently 10:08 and so I might look a little tired, but I wanted to shoot this video because it's been so long since I wanted to shoot it, because I have my NYKAA order since past 15 or 20 days. So I have all of these products in my NYKAA box. So let's get started with the haul. So I'm gonna start off with the products that I loved the most, and the first product is this face moisturizer by this brand called Simple. And also, as the name of this brand is Simple, so it says that it does not have any harmful chemicals inside it. It just has some simple ingredients, and also it does not have any artificial perfume, color, no harmful chemicals that can upset your skin, and it has no alcohol and no animal derived ingredients as well. And also it's paraben free, sulfate free, it's free from any sort of harmful chemicals, and this is suitable for all skin types, and even if you have sensitive skin, then also you can use it, as it doesn't have any bad ingredient inside it. And also it's dermatologically tested, non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic as well. So guys, it has everything that you require, and it does not have any, not even a single bad ingredient inside it. So I'm really impressed with this Simple brand, and I'm going to be trying out other products from this brand as well. So this was a long description about this brand, but I think you guys need to know about this brand, that's why I elaborated so much. But now just quickly coming back to the product. So this is the Protecting Light Moisturizer, and it has SPF 15 with UVA and UVB protection. It feels so lightweighted on my face, and I don't feel greasy, sticky or anything of that sorts. This doesn't make your skin matte, but this doesn't make your skin oily as well. So it just gives that hydration, that sort of hydrating boost to your skin, and this gets absorbed like this. I'm not kidding, this gets absorbed like this into your skin, and this is suitable for all skin types. So I'm really loving this, and I highly and totally recommend this product. So guys, just go and buy this one, because this is the best face moisturizer that I have ever tried out. So the second product which I want to talk about is this one. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder, and I got it in the shade 25 medium moyen, and this is available in 4 shades in India: 15, 20, 25 and 30. So I was confused between the 20 and 25 shade number, and after reading a lot of reviews, I chose this 25 medium shade, and this shade just matches me perfectly. It's not even similar, it's same guys. And now talking about the formula and about how it works, it just makes your pores all filled up, and it just makes your face very matte, and it controls oil as well, which is a really nice thing. So but the thing that I have experienced with this one is that whenever I apply it all over my face, it just makes me look dark after 2 hours. I don't know if it oxidizes or what. And it says that it's a loose finishing powder, so you can apply it all over your face as well, but it just makes my face a lot dark. So I'm not using it all over my face, but I'm just using it under my eyes and all over my eye area to just set my concealer, and it really works amazingly for that. But I'm really not happy with this thing, that why is it oxidizing on my face. So it may oxidize on your skin, as it is getting oxidized on my face. So if you want to try it out as for your under eyes and to just bake your face a little, so you can do that. The formula is amazing, it just mattifies your skin. And yeah, so loving this product for my under eyes only, not for all over my face, because it's just making me look dark. So now coming to the third product, which is my absolute favorite after this moisturizer. So this is the NYKAA Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Mona Lisa, and guys, I am loving the color, loving the formula and everything. The packaging, everything about this lipstick is just top notch, and I'm absolutely loving it. And this is what I've applied over my lips right now. It's a subtle peachy color, which is complementing my skin tone really nicely. And also talking about the formula, guys, I don't even feel like I've applied a matte lipstick over my lips. My lips feel so comfortable. It's the kind of matte that I really want. It's absolutely matte, because I really don't like those creamy matte formula formulas, and also you get this magnetic packaging, and you also get to see the color of your lipstick over the packaging, which is again really nice to identify your lipstick. And this shade is going to be suitable for skin tones similar to mine and slightly deeper than mine and fairer skin tones, but I think for duskier skin tones it may wash you out. So if you have a skin tone similar to mine or fairer than mine, just go and grab this one. And also just talking about the transfer test, so it transfers a little bit, but it doesn't matter because it's a very light transfer, and I'm just loving the formula, guys. So it's my absolute favorite, and I'm going to be trying out other shades as well. So now coming to the next product, so it's from Blue Heaven, and it's the Shimmer Dust in the shade Golden 03. So it's basically shimmer particles that you can apply as your eyeshadow or as highlighter as well. So I'm going to show you guys about the pigmentation of these. So it comes as these loose shimmer particles, and the pigmentation is so nice, guys. Look at the pigmentation. It's just so nice, and it's so cheap as well. It's under 100 rupees. So the pigmentation is really nice, and it's not that cheap golden color as you might expect from Blue Heaven, that the shimmer particles must be of some cheap quality or the golden colors must be of some cheap quality. But it's not. It's a very nice golden color that you can use it for your eyeshadow by just mixing it with lotion or Vaseline, because it might just spread all over your face if you just apply it directly. So just mix it with Vaseline or make it wet and apply it over your eyes as your eyeshadow, and it is going to give you that party vibe if you want that shimmery golden thing over your eyes. So I'm going to be using it in my makeup under 100 rupees challenge video, so you can see how this is going to work in that video. The next product is this mascara from Blue Heavens, and it's the Walk Free Waterproof Long Lash Mascara, and it says that it is smudge proof as well. I have not used this mascara as of now. I'm going to be using it in my makeup under 100 rupees challenge as well, as it is for 125 rupees, but I got it on a good discount, so it was for 95 or 98 something rupees. So it comes under makeup under 100 rupees, and I couldn't find any mascara apart from this, so I'm going to be using it in that video. I'm going to be telling you guys about how is this in that video. Now coming to the next product, so these are these lipsticks from this brand called Iba Halal, and I wanted to try out this brand because it's a halal certified brand, and what it means is that these lipsticks don't have any alcohol, these don't have any pork or animal derived ingredients, and also these are vegan, eco-friendly and recyclable and cruelty free as well. So Iba Halal is a halal certified brand, so I wanted to try out these lipsticks, and also the reviews on these were pretty amazing as well. A lot of people were really appreciating the matte texture that they have, so I got 2 shades for myself, and I don't know why do I need to try 2 shades or need to buy 2 shades together. I think you guys should first go for one lipstick only, and then you need to see if the formula is amazing, the color is amazing, and then you need to order your second one, because I really wasted my money on these 2. Because I really don't like the creamy matte formula, and these lipstick have that creamy matte formula, and I just really don't like that creaminess in my matte lipsticks. I just like my lipsticks to be ultra matte and not at all creamy. So if you have dry lips or cracked lips, or if you like using creamy matte lipsticks, so you can go for these, because these are halal certified, and also the pigmentation of these is nice as well, and the staying time is also nice. But if you really love that ultra matte lipsticks, so you will not like these, because these are not ultra matte. And now talking about the shades that I have, so I have it in the shade M01 Deep Mauve, and the other shade is M12 Pink Orchid. So I really like this shade Deep Mauve, so as it's a very deep mauvey color, so I really like this color. But to talk about this color, so it's a very bright fuchsia, not even fuchsia, it's a very bright pink color, so it is not at all complementing my skin tone. So this was about these 2 lipsticks. Now all the remaining products are from skincare categories. So talking about the first product, so it's a gold peel off mask from Khadi Natural. So it's a herbal peel off mask, and Khadi Natural is a very nice brand, and it's a herbal based brand. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals, parabens or anything. So I really like using this brand, and this peel off mask is again really nice, guys. I personally loved using it, and also it's not very painful to remove, which is a great thing, as most of the peel masks are really difficult to remove or really painful to remove, but this is not that. So I really like using peel off masks because you get this satisfying feeling that all of your dead cells, all of your blackheads and whiteheads are gone along with the peeling. So that's why I really love using it, and as it's not painful, so it's really nice. It doesn't give any sudden glow to your face, but it surely makes your face look a lot fresh and a lot clean after using it. So this is all about this product, which is the peel off mask. And now coming to the next product, which is this sunscreen from Neutrogena. Is the Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock, and it has a SPF of 50 with broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection. It also has PA+3, so, and also it's dermatologically tested as well. So this is the sunscreen which I've been using since so long, and I absolutely love this, and I mostly buy this in the small tube bottle packaging. I also have another one of this, as it's easy to carry, it's easy to just put it into your pouch, and it's travel friendly as well. So that's why I really like to buy this small bottle version. So it doesn't make your face look oily or greasy, although it is not completely matte as well. So for oily skin people, you may try it out, as you are gonna feel that you have applied sunscreen over your face. So I think you're gonna be needing a compact after using it. But for normal skin people or for dry or combination skin people, this doesn't feel like a lot sticky or a lot oily on your face, so you can use it, as it's extremely hydrating, and also it's waterproof, sweat proof, non-comedogenic and PA/BA free as well. If you have normal, combination or dry skin, then this could be a really nice option, as it's very hydrating and it has all of these good properties. The next product is this Olay 7-in-1 Benefits Cream with SPF 15. It's an anti-aging cream, and it's a day cream, and I got it for my mom, and she's been using it since 15 days now, and she's really loving the formula and the texture. I asked her about everything, and Olay is a nice brand for anti-aging products, so this is what I got for my mom. And now coming to the last product. So the last product is this, I don't know what you call it, I need to check. What do you call it? So yeah, you call it Scrub or Dub Tub, and it's from Fiyama Bath Essentials, and it's a very nice scrubber to have to scrub off the dead cells from your body. So you just need to put your shower gel onto it, and you can easily scrub off the dead cells from your body. I'm really enjoying it, and you just need to put your hand like that and you can use it. So it's very easy to use, and it's very easy to wash as well, and the material is also not very harsh and not very soft as well. So it's the perfect kind of material that is required to scrub off the dead cells. So, and also it's very quick to use as well. So you just need to put on your shower gel and just use it very fast and in a quick way and in a nice way as well. So I'm really loving this Scrub or Dub Dub or scrubber. So these were all the products that I got from NYKAA this time, and I'm absolutely loving today's haul, as I'm loving each and every product. So this was all that I got, and this was all about today's video. So if you enjoyed this haul, if you enjoyed this video, then give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on as well, so you'll get notified whenever I'll be uploading new videos. And all of my social media is in the description box below as usual for you guys. So yeah, that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.